Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just a reminder about how to change the share setting on your Culture Country Capture Organizer. This is what you should see in your Google Drive. You click on the blue button to share. You're going to look at this button down at the bottom that says Get Link. That gray button, let's press that. You're going to change it from restricted to anyone with the link. Click Copy Link. Click Done. Go back over to Canvas. And there where you see the button that says Submit Assignment, let's click that. Down here where you see that it says Website URL, I'm placing my cursor here. I'm going to paste it in. Click Submit Assignment button. And it is submitted. That's great. Even if it says something like this, submitted late, I still would like to have the assignment. So please make sure that is done. Otherwise, I cannot change the grade in the grade book. Thank you so much. You guys take care, be kind, and do good.